ProctorFree is an online testing platform that was designed to give you an anxiety-free testing experience. Take your test wherever you want, whenever you want, without anyone hovering over you. All you need is a laptop or desktop computer with a webcam and reliable internet connection, as long as you meet the technical requirements. The best part, with ProctorFree, you can pass your course exams free of charge. It really is that simple. So let's walk through how to take your final course exam with ProctorFree. Start your test-taking journey by signing into your user account with your username and password. You'll be directed to the My Course page, where you can see all the courses you're currently enrolled in. Click on the Open Course button. Make sure all of your coursework and practice exams have been completed. When you're ready to take your course final exam, click on Take Me to My Exam in the About Course section. Alternatively, click on Final Exam at the very bottom of the table of contents. This will direct you to the Proctor pop-up screen. Select Take Exam. If this is your first time using ProctorFree, you'll be instructed to download the ProctorFree application. Select Click here to download this application. After the application has finished downloading, open it on your computer by returning to the web page and clicking on Exam Link. On the pop-up screen, click Open ProctorFree to launch the ProctorFree app. Before taking your exam, you'll need to 1. Pass a compatibility test, and 2. Authenticate your identity. If you run into any issues during the process, just click on the support button located on the bottom of the app. The ProctorFree support team is available 24/7. The compatibility test includes 5 quick checks. Performance checks if your CPU is fast enough to take the exam. Camera checks to make sure your device has a camera. Microphone checks to make sure your audio is working properly. Click Start Microphone Test and speak a few words into your mic. Monitor checks to make sure there is only one monitor. Streaming checks to make sure your internet connection is strong enough. After passing the compatibility test, click Proceed. The final step is to authenticate your identity, which requires scanning your face on camera. The left side of your screen lists all the requirements for verification, including temporarily remove any objects such as hats, masks, or glasses from your camera view. Make sure no individual's faces, pictures, or paintings are visible in the background. Position yourself so that your face can fully be seen in good lighting. Next, you'll need to show your government ID. Hold your government ID in front of your camera so that it fits in the space provided. Select the Authenticate button. This will take a photo of your government ID. After the photo of your government ID has been taken, you are officially ready to take your exam. Here are a couple of things to keep in mind before you begin. As soon as you begin your test, the ProctorFree Secure Browser launches. This is a window that does not allow navigation to other tabs or applications. You won't be able to copy and paste, and your window will be at full screen. Print screen functionality is also disabled. Depending on what state you live in, there may be a required time limit for how long you can take to complete your exam. Not all states have this requirement. Now that you're ready to begin your exam, click Launch Proctored Session. If you get kicked out of your exam session for any reason, simply relaunch the ProctorFree app and start a new session. You will be taken to where you left off. After you complete your test, click Submit Exam. You will immediately be able to see whether you passed or failed. After reviewing your exam results, click the Continue to Complete Course button. You'll be prompted to answer a few survey questions about your course experience. After completing your survey, you'll need to digitally sign your name to confirm that you completed your exam, which is crucial to receiving your course completion certificate. Once you've signed, click Submit and Complete Exam. Depending on which state you're in, you may need to answer some additional security questions. The ProctorFree team will now review your examination session, which could take up to 48 business hours. Once they've approved your session, you will receive your official certificate of course completion. Congratulations, you've passed your course pain-free with the CE Shop.